A rotary encoder is a device that supplies a signal with information about speed or angle position of a rotating shaft. Leine Linde encoder are very robust and reliable. They last for a long operation time. We have solutions for long cable lengths, and the encoder have a high quality signal with a high resolution. In addition, we have a system for predictive maintenance, what is our ADS uptime. All these advantages make it very easy for the customer to install and use our encoder. These are basically customers with applications in harsh environments, with failure critical applications, or where personnel for maintenance is not always nearby. These customers we find mainly in the steel industry, paper industry, or in the sector of wind energy.